Okay, before I was interrupted, I was saying how Star Wars has their... I lost my train of thought. Death Star. And all they did for the new Star Wars was make a giant, bigger planet-sized one. While this one, I like the really weird designs for planet destroyers. Also, to recap, since the scene's gonna get cut, Quark was talking to Drek. Drek Nefarious comes out. Ooh, blah blah blah. Price, price, price. Nefarious double crosses Drek. And I gotta say, I do like the voice for Nefarious. I like that kind of high-pitched voice. But then they have those moments where they just get fucking loud. What is this?
Better try out the hollow guys before going any further.
Oh.
Check out my inventory. I got the best deals in the galaxy. Probably.
So I do got a hollow, guys. Okay. I need to make sure I get everything. Because that Sheepinator is going to be my main weapon from now on. Ooh, there's cards over there. Which I might have to get. And there's cards there and there. I'll be getting those. Maybe.
Better try out the hollow guys before going any further.
Yeah. Maybe. Might help. Oh gosh.
Hello, Captain Quark. You look very heroic today.
Yeah.
Attention Deplanitizer staff. If you see any intruders, please hit the Kill Intruders button. It's the big red one.
No.
It's like all the other ones. We have to plan better with the next Deplanitizer.
Press it. Press it.
Sanitation field activated.
Oh. Oh, jumping deactivates it now?
Chiseled abs detected.
Hi. Oh. How are you doing?
Greetings, Warbot.
Hello, Captain Quark.
Oh. I wonder. Sheepinator! Yeah. I love the Sheepinator. It is my friend.
Chiseled abs detected.
Ha 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 ha. Walk like he does. Now wave at Warbot. Hey!
What up, dog?
Yeah, what up, dog?
Detected.
Now I missed this. That. I believe. Yeah, that is. I missed that. Last time I was here, I missed it. Hut, hut, hut. No, you didn't. Quit lying to Stacy. He was lying to Stacy. I am gonna get the trophies after this and like do all the challenges by myself. Because this game seems like it'd be easy to do that.
Mr. Zircon is here to...
I got 2? It's been so long since I've used them.
Identification successful. Welcome, Captain.
Turn around. Hey!
That's right, it's me, Captain Clark.
Your friend! Sheepinator! Oh, I did not notice that. I did not know there was more. My sheepinator antics were thwarted. Wait, did they just say chiseled abs?
Yes, it's really me.
Yeah. Come on. Oh! Doggos! Doggos! Ha 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 ha! Ha 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 ha! What? I did not know they could press the button. How would I have known?
Totals detected.
Hi. Hi.
It's more fun on the dark side, am I right?
Yo. Go in, go in, go in. Gonna go a few things, actually. Get him, get him, get him! Fuck yeah! Get him, get him, get him! Fuck yeah! Man, this gun works perfectly. I love this gun.
The door is locked. We should find another way through.
Like up top. Ha 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 ha. Why does it look like someone can just come in? Okay, that's how I drop. That sounds weird. Listen to that. Oh yeah. That's what it sounds like. How you doing? Bitch!
Hey!
Hologram.
Pectorals detected.
Gonna walk this way. How you doing? Don't mind me. Doop-a-doo.
Warlocks coming our way!
I like Little Zircon. Little Zircon. I love Little Zircon.
Better keep moving.
He's my favorite. Little Zircon. Do 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 do. Little Zircon. Little Zircon. Get more money. I'm missing 2 weapons. This may not be the finale. I don't know.
Hello, Captain Quark.
Hello.
Very heroic today.
Do I now? Yeah, that's what I have to get up there. Okay. Little Zircon. Fuck yeah.
Come on, we better keep moving.
Do we have to? I don't wanna. I just wanna play the game. Okay. There it is. Oh yeah, let me change the... Do I have any extra cards? No. I want to change that back to that. Then I'm going to change that to Quark. I'm going to change that to Ninja Black. Now I'm Captain Quark. He'll feel worse about himself after I do this. Oh, you see the rupees? Rupees! Now I'm just missing 1 to finish that off. Also, I missed some cards, but I couldn't get in there. And I don't think I can get in here. No, I can't, so I just gotta do it by the book.
Chiseled abs detected.
Damn, I should have went. Hi. How you doing? Do do do. Do 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 do. That is annoying. That noise. Hi.
That's right. It's me, Captain Clark.
That's right. What up? Rupees. And now, this ship is completely...
Jawline lacking.
I forgot I'm wearing a helmet. Oh.
Hello, Captain Quark.
Hello.
Very heroic today.
Don't I? I can. Okay. He won't turn around. Shit. Oh gosh. Ah! Sheep! Banana! There's titanium here. Gotcha!
I got all kinds of stuff to make heroes more heroic. Take a look.
That's what they all say. Da. Transmogrify enemies into a rare breed that possesses even more bolts. Yeah. This gun is awesome. I still got 2 more. Let's go, Mr. Zircon. Da.
Captain Quark, you look
Hello.
heroic today.
Don't I? I'm loving this. How are y'all doing?
Before they activate the sanitation field.
Get him!
More warbucks. We must stop them from activating the sanitation field.
They will not even get close.
More enemies.
They... no. Damn, I can't see! I can't see! I can't fucking see! I need help.
Mr. Zircon is here.
More warbots.
You better be fucking here, Mr. Zircon.
A symphony of
Oh. Oh. Die sheep. Die sheep. Nothing, okay. Money!
That trespasser terminal should reveal the location of the gravity stabilizer.
Auto hack? Cause I don't want to deal with it?
Got it. Looks like the gravity stabilizer is inside the ship's core.
Well, duh.
Warning, unauthorized hologuise use detected.
Uh-oh. Looks like the hollow guys won't fool them anymore.
Really? When was... yeah, really.
It's my charming personality that keeps you coming back, ain't it?
I got all that for now. What do I like?
That's one of our best sellers.
That's what I wanted. Yeah, whatever.
target acquired.
Turn into a sheep. Turn into a sheep. Turn into a sheep. Turn into a sheep. Oh. I like you now. Still die. Going back for this. To see what I got now.
Want to have the best weapon ever? Upgrade your sheepinator.
That sounds like the best weapon ever. Where the fuck is it? Where's my... where's my sheepinator? It's called the goatinator now. That's why I can fucking find it. Be my first 100% of the weapon. The best weapon. The goatinator.
Attention, all personnel.
Yes.
Note that We are now on a communications blackout until we have completed deplanetization. No calls, text, or other messages until further notice.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. I love what they look like. Kill them! Kill all my minions! Yeah. Kill him! Oh yeah, I need you to come out. Let me help you. Come on out. Thank you. You guys look awesome.
I think that's all of them.
Man, that was quick. Oh! Ah! Shit! Can't see a thing! I'm blind! Blinded with money. Sheepinator! I got 6, so... Which one can I finish real quick? I'll finish you.
You just completed a set. Impressive.
Can fucking barely see. Ah, you fucker. Attack him! Attack him, my pretties! Attack him! Attack! Attack! My pretties!
Can't give up now. Let's get him, pal.
Oh! Need health. Okay, got health. Don't throw more ammo at me. Damn, I'm getting a lot of shit. I got you. Man, that's a lot of fuckers. Get him! Get him for me! Whew! Whew! There's cards back here. There's cards back here? Where? Oh! Might as well. Oh, shit. What's this? I got me a pack! Let's see. Agents of Doom. Nope. Yep, might as well. Agents of Doom. What else is there? I still haven't gotten to that point. I might be going back to it because that looks like a boss room. So forward I go. This music. Let's go.
Attention All personnel, a memorial for Victor von Ion has been set up in the Deck 7 utility closet.
Really?
And pay your respects to a fallen member of the team.
Really?
Bolts at the door.
Die! 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 I love the reach on this thing. It's so grand. For you guys, I don't fucking care anymore. What's are these? These barely work half the time. Oh, you're down now. Sheepinator! I need this card. Give me a second. I think the only card I'm missing now is this one. And you're dead.
We're all clear, guys. You head for the gravity stabilizer. We'll get into position out here.
I do like the fact that they keep the shit happening. Well, let's finish this.
Take your time. What I call maximally max.
Polymorphic War. Oh. Now what else should I do? What's Mr. Zircon? Zircon Jr.
Be careful in there, you two.
Yeah, do your best not to die.
Thanks for the encouragement, Brax.
This kind of tells me it's gonna be close to the end. Should I? Yeah, I should. I should hold off. Hold off for a little bit.
I'll punch in our new flight coordinates.
I'm gonna do this. I think I have to. I want that gun, the Rhino. I know I do. Because if I get that gun, it'd be perfect. It'd be perfect. So, I'll be back whenever I get the gun. Okay? Okay. Bye now.